In this next topic, I saw this post that I thought was pretty interesting because I've always wondered, like, what happens when you total your Model S, X, Model 3, or Model Y when it gets into a super bad accident, when insurance actually totals it out? How much, if you bought that vehicle after, how much would it actually cost to repair? So here's a post that I found was pretty interesting. And it's really, how much does it cost to rebuild a totaled Tesla Model 3? So let's get into it. But if you're just joining in, my name is Dennis. I love talking about Tesla hacking, so definitely hit that subscribe if you're interested. Shout out to Occupy Mars or Tesla Winston. Quote, how much does it cost to rebuild a totaled Model 3? So it looks like you could purchase this Model 3, or he purchased it, or someone did, from Copart, which is a salvage auction type of website, for $14,000. Shipping was $769. And here are all the different things that maybe this person did, or maybe Winston did. You can see right here on the screen. We've got radiator fan, radiator, $60. It doesn't really seem like a lot of this stuff is that expensive, right? Then you go to Tesla service, bumper clips, ankle catcher, Facebook Marketplace for $250 bumper. That's not bad. Paint $2,000. That actually is not bad at all. And the total amount that they actually paid, so they paid almost 14, almost 15 grand for the car plus shipping, and then they invested about $4,000 into all the parts and the repair. But of course, the one thing that is not looked into this is the labor cost, right? So it looks like maybe they did this themselves, but here it is, a 2018 Model 3 long range wheel drive, 50,000 miles, blue with black interior, probably salvage, and also full self-driving, paid in full. Here is the before, and then now here is the after. Not a bad deal. I mean, yes, there are probably 2018 Model 3s with a little bit more higher mileage that you can get for mid-20s that are not going to be salvaged, but if you're looking for a project, then that is really what you can do. But really cool, interesting piece here that Occupy Mars posted, so shout out to Occupy Mars or Tesla Winston for posting on X, and just really cool to see all the different things that go into the details of rebuilding a salvage or totaled Tesla Model 3. But we're going to get into the next topic.